Look at the colors, so shiny and bright. A rainbow popsicle is a yummy delight.
Red strawberries, sweet and round, the best little berries we have ever found.
Yay! Orange is next, so juicy and sweet. An orange a day is a wonderful treat.
Yellow pineapple, tall and bright. We chop it up, it tastes just right.
Ooh. Green little kiwis, fuzzy and neat. This rainbow pop is gonna be sweet.
Wow!
Blueberries rolling 1, 2, 3. A colorful snack for you and me.
Blend them together, spin around fast. Pour in the molds, it's a colorful blast. Into the freezer, tick-tock, wait. Out come the popsicles.
Lick, 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 it's cold and fun. The best rainbow popsicle under the sun. Here comes the baker, what does he bring? Fresh, warm muffins, let's start to sing. Do you know the Muffin Man baking all day? He makes yummy muffins in a magical way. Flying up high in the sky so blue, the Muffin Man is making a treat for you. Landing back down on our 2 little feet. Time to sit down and eat this sweet treat.
Yes, I know the Muffin Man living on the lane. He bakes his muffins in the sun and the rain.
Yum, 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 our tummies are full. Baking together is wonderful.